Hey, welcome back everybody. So today I got the W211 and it basically has a dead battery. It sat for a while. So I took the battery out and I charged it, and all I gotta do now is get back into it and charge it, but I of course locked it because it's staying outside. So basically, to get into it, since I locked it, I just use the key here. Get under here. Turn the key to the left, click it, and then basically what you're going to do is you're going to come under the front here, and this is where your battery sits. So it'll sit typically under this little flap, and then you'll have an anchor that actually holds the battery down, and then you've got this kind of the strap that goes around it that you pull tight back there. So there's the bracket. So basically I'm going to go ahead and set the battery in here. I need to basically keep the cables out of the way, so you can just kind of link it on the net there. You just have to lift that one up, and then you got to make sure it sits inside of this cable with the positive facing that way. Basically I got the battery in there, and then all you really have to do is just push it forward, and then it will kind of catch a piece under there. You can actually lift this out too, but you really only need to do that to grab this here. So this little cord, you just need to pull until it's just snug. It doesn't need to be like super tight or anything. And then you're gonna take this bracket here and put it right there, and then you put the screw in there, and that is a 13mm head. So tighten that down. Don't really need that up anymore, so I'll push this guy on here. Both of these are 10mm. You always do the positive first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a ratchet, and not a 13, but a 10mm, and I'm going to tighten this down and get it started. You can see the battery's a little bit on the older side, but should still have some juice in it. Should still survive. I'm going to put one of these covers if you can find it. Sometimes they fall down, and then you can take your positive cable, or your negative cable that is, but make sure you have your key ready, because if like you did like I did, you had the car locked before, when the battery died or something, the alarm might go off. So you want to connect it and then be ready to press unlock in case the alarm goes off. Ready? Nope. Light turned on. And there you go. Just make sure that everything's unlocked. And then all we got to do is make sure that this is fully tightened down. I got that fully tightened down, and then you just got to make sure the negative cable is also tightened down. Just hand tight, snug. Don't really need to torque on it at all. Keeps getting caught on the net. There you go. And then that's basically how you replace the battery in a W211. What you do not want to forget is your little vent hose here. There's a little hole right here that this just plugs into. And then you close your flap, take your tools out, then you take your little hanger off there, let everything fall, and you should be good to go. So if you have any comments or questions, just let me know. But as always, thanks for watching, everybody.